Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Poco X3 GT. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both smartphones. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Poco. Also on Poco, you need to select one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally use all of those categories located at the top to pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo. Wherever you decide when you are ready, click on Send next to Selected. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Poco. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key though, click on Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And tap on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!